No, I know how to work it.
I got recording now. Yeah.
Okay. Are you going first? I can turn it on when you go.
No. Just hold it. Hang on. Actually, no. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be my presentation first or.
Why did they throw that? I said
Alright. Alright. So I'm going to be doing my fan presentation about Hershey Park. There we go. Yeah. So you hit this.
No.
Oh, what?
You're good.
I'm ready.
Yeah, you can click on that. I can make it the.
Yeah.
Let's see. You click on that. I think. Yeah.
Yeah. So can you hold this for me, please? Point it, you know.
I'll point at you, okay?
Oh, it's the slicer. You want that?
Hello? Have everyone quiet, please? Yeah. Alright, so this is about...
Listen up, please!
Okay, so this is about the ceiling fans at Hershey Park that took like last month at the end of May. We went on a field trip. So, alright. So here are the two Dayton Industrials. They've in the stroller part of Hershey Park. Yeah, here's the second one. It's inside cages. And here's the big wall fan at Kennel Corn. Oops. And these are three Dayton industrial ceiling fans. Like this is like what I don't know. Is there another wide? I don't know. So these are the three. I think they're like a movie theater or like the entrance or what, or maybe just like the roller coaster part. Anyways, alright, so here's a wall fan in the arcade, and here's some more Dayton Industrials at a roller coaster at Hershey Park. So there's like four. Here are three Casablanca Venuses in a shop that. Yeah. So one of them has like a little tape around the blades. It has an uplight too. There's like a Casablanca Venus halo or whatever. There's the IntelliTouch. It's the white part over there. And here are two mini Dayton Industrials. Yeah. I can take that. Here are three Dayton Industrials at the laugh track. There are two mini Dayton Industrials in our gift shop. Here are, I think, like three Dayton Industrials at our Walker's Ride entrance. And here's a Harbor Breeze Calero. at I forget what it's called. Maybe like a kitchen or whatever else it's called. Here's a Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. And here are Harbor Breeze Armitage at the I don't know what it's called. It's not Hershey. Alright, here's some Hampton Bay Crate New something. They are not Hampton Bay Palm Beach because no, it's 48-inch and it does look like Palm Beach, but it's actually not. But the Leica does look similar. It's mixed. It's called Hampton Bay Mix Match at Emerald Pretzel something. And here are, I believe, like oh my goodness, 9. And there's another one. So these are like brown deep industrials or whatever. There's one in the cage. Maybe another laugh track or whatever. Here's an Emerson Loft and 3 Emerson Stratojets at another arcade. Here are 3, 4, 5, 6. There are like 7 Casablanca 4 Seasons 2 or 3 ceiling fans in a pizzeria. Here's another Dayton. Here's a Dayton Industrial at another one of these roller coaster entrance. And here's this we have 2 or 3 of these Dayton Industrials at the Super Duper Looper. And here's a Ring King wall fan. And here's a 2 mini Dayton Industrials. And also I have a little video to show you real quick. One second. Alright. Hello? Alright. Hello? Testing 1, 2. Hello? Here are 3 wall fans at a water park or whatever. This is at Hershey Park, and guess that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good time.
There you go.